What to do with servers running Windows Server 2012. Hi, my name's Glenn, and today I'm going to give you 3 options of what to do with servers running Windows Server 2012. Replace the operating system, replace the hardware and the operating system, or take your organisation serverless. So the first one is probably the easiest. This is simply replacing the operating system Windows Server 2012 with the latest version of Windows Server. This is currently 2022. The second involves replacing your server with a brand new one from the likes of Dell, HP, or Lenovo, and often the vendor will include Windows Server free of charge with this. The last option, and which we see a lot of here at Nexus, is taking your organisation serverless. This means removing all of your servers that you have on-premise and replacing them with cloud technology. A good example of this would be something like Azure Active Directory. The on-premise version is Active Directory, which allows you to control your network. Move that into the cloud with Azure AD, and all of a sudden you can control your network wherever it may be in the world.